हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। Today we discuss about most important concept of Indian economy. Today topic is 10 5-year plan. The 10 5-year plan 2002 to 2009 is being prepared against the backdrop of high expectations arising from some aspect of recent performance. Gross domestic product growth in the post-reform period has been improved from an average about 5.7% in the 1980s to an average of about 6.5% in the 8th and 9th periods, making India one of the 10 fastest growing developing countries. Encouraging progress has also been made in other dimensions. The percentage of the population in poverty has continued to decline, even if not as much as was targeted. Population growth has declared below 2% for the first time in four decades. Literacy has increased from 52% in 1991 to 65% in 2001, and improving the evident in all states. Sectors such as software services, entertainment, and IT-enabled services have been emerged in new source of strength, creating confidence about Indian potential to be competitive in the world economy. These, these positive developments are, however, clouded by other features which give cause for concern. The economy is currently in a decelerating phase, and urgent steps are needed to assess the declarations and restore movement. This, this several is the more difficult because it has to take place in an environment where the world economy is going down. There are several aspects of development where our progress is clearly disappointing, although employment growth has almost kept pace with labor force growth. The incidence of unemployment on current daily status basis relatively high at above 7%. More than half of the children, 1 to 5 year old in rural area are underutilized, with girl children suffering even more. Sir, malnutrition. The infant mortality rate has stagnated at 72% per 72 per 1000 for the last several years. As many as 60% of the rural household and 20% of urban household do not have a power connection. Only 6% of urban households have tap within their home, and far fewer have. The decline of juvenile sex ratio over the last decade, visible data in census 2001, is indication of the constitutional assurance of freedom and equality of women still from far fulfilled. The 10th, the 10th plan must prioritize specific measures to halt and resolve the regressive trends, which rooted in women's social subordinations and discrimination practices against them on many fronts and ensure survival protections and development of children, especially the girl child. The 10 plans provide an appropriately opportunity and at the start of new millennium to build upon the gains of past